Hello everyone, my name is Gifty, your regular chef. On today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make this quick and easy delicious shrimp pasta. So on a medium-high heat, we are going to boil our spaghetti, add some salt and some butter to boil for about 10 to 15 minutes. So whilst our spaghetti is cooking, we are going to grind our ginger and garlic paste to use for later. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and please don't forget to follow your girl on Instagram, the Des Delight. So here we have our shrimps. It's all been washed and cleaned. I just left the shells on the tail just to make it nice and presentable. So I'm going to season my prawns with some ginger paste, some cayenne pepper, some all-purpose seasoning, and we are going to use it for later. So now our spaghetti is ready, and please don't throw your spaghetti water away. You can use it to add it to your spaghetti when you need more water for your spaghetti. So as you can see, on a medium-high heat, we have a pan with some butter, some chopped onion, and we are going to cook it for about 2 minutes. So I added about 1 tablespoon of my ginger paste as well. And please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So now we're going to add our cherry tomatoes and all-purpose seasoning, some cayenne pepper, and I'm going to add some crushed chilies. You can make it more spicy if you want. So we're going to cook this for about 2 to 3 minutes. So now we're going to add our seasoned shrimps to our sauce, and we're going to cook it for about a minute or two. It's just a quick recipe. You need to try this recipe out. This is a restaurant style spaghetti. It's very easy, quick and flavorful. So now we're going to add our spaghetti to it and just mix everything together and season it to your taste as well. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and please don't forget to comment down below if you want me to do any new recipes as well. And now our shrimp pasta is ready. Look at that, it's very quick, easy and very flavorful. I just garnished mine with some coriander leaves and some spring onion. And now I'm going to top it up with some Parmesan cheese. You can choose to use any cheese of your choice. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you to all my lovely subscribers. Hello everyone, my name is Gifty, your regular chef. Welcome to my channel, the Des Delight. On today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make this lovely feta cheese pasta. On high heat, I put my pot in water and I added a bit of salt and olive oil to prevent the pasta from sticking together. I'm using a Conchiglie pasta, which is Italian seashells. You can choose to use any pasta of your choice. So you're going to boil it for about 10 to 15 minutes. And now we're about to prep our vegetables for our pasta. This pasta is very simple and very tasty, and it's very healthy as well. You need to try this recipe out. I'm going to add my garlic as well. So I'm going to peel it and grill it for later. With this recipe, I'm using shallot onions because it's quite sweet and very tasty, but you can choose to use any onion of your choice. And here I'm going to use some fresh basil as well. If you don't want basil, you can use parsley or coriander, which is also good, but I love my basil because it goes well with my cherry tomatoes. With this recipe, I'm telling you, it's so tasty. So now our vegetables has been washed, and we are going to season our vegetables and grill it for later for our recipe. So here I have my cherry tomatoes, my shallot, my garlic, some red chili, some crushed chilies, some black pepper, and some olive oil. I'm gonna mix it and grill it for later. I'm telling you, this recipe is very simple and very quick to make. So now we're about to season our feta cheese. And feta cheese is quite salty, so when you're cooking with it, you have to make sure you finish using it before you season your food. So I'm seasoning with some crushed chilies, some black pepper, and some olive oil because you're going to grill it for later. So now we're about to grill our vegetables. So on a high heat, my griddle pan is hot and ready, and I'm going to add my cherry tomatoes, my shallot, my garlic, my red chilies. You can choose to use any vegetables of your choice, but with this recipe, it's quite simple and flavorful, so you don't need much. And we are going to grill this for about 5 minutes and put it aside for later. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So now our vegetables are ready. Look at that, so juicy and so tasty and so flavorful. You need to try this recipe out. So now we're taking our vegetables from our griddle pan and we are going to grill our feta cheese just for 2 minutes, and we're just going to turn it out, and we need that smoky flavor on it, and we're going to set it aside for later. So now our pasta is ready and we are going to rinse it through cold water to wash away some of the starch and set it aside for later. So we are about to assemble our pasta in our dish bowl. Make sure you use a dish that is good for the oven so it doesn't break. So my dish pan is very good for the oven. So we are going to add our vegetables, our feta cheese, and our pasta. We are going to season it with some crushed chilies and some black pepper. You can add more chilies if you want it spicy. You can add a bit of more vegetables if you want more vegetables. So you're adding a bit of olive oil. We are going to add our fresh basil as well. I'm telling you, this pasta is very quick and very tasty. So we're going to mix everything and put it in our oven for about 20 minutes and it will be ready. Oh my goodness, look at our feta pasta. It's ready and tasty and smoky and flavorful. And please make sure you don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So I couldn't wait to have to dish myself some of the pasta and garnish it with some fresh basil. And you're all invited. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you to all my lovely subscribers and viewers. Bye bye.
Hello everyone, my name is Gifty, your regular chef. Welcome to my channel, The Destined Light. On today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make this lovely creamy pasta. So as you can see, I have my salted boiling water and I added some butter and some coconut oil to cook the pasta for about 5 minutes. We're going to reserve our pasta water for later. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So as you can see, I have my ginger, my scotch bonnet and garlic in my mortar. You can choose to use your blender as well. You can choose to grate it as well. So we're going to grind it into a paste form like that and reserve it for later. So now we're going to start our creamy pasta. So on a medium-high heat, I added my chicken. I'm using chicken legs with a bone. You can choose to use boneless chicken as well, but I love it with the bone. This pasta is very juicy and tasty. So I added some butter, some turmeric and our ginger paste, and some salt and some all-purpose seasoning. You can choose to use any seasoning of your choice as well. So we're going to cook this for about 5 to 10 minutes. Please don't forget to follow your girl on Instagram, The Destined Light, and on TikTok, The Destined Light. So whilst our chicken is cooking, we're about to prep our vegetables for our creamy pasta. So here I'm using 1 white onion, 2 tomatoes, and 1 red bell peppers. You can choose to add any vegetables of your choice as well. And please don't forget to comment down below if you want me to do any new recipes. And thank you so much for my lovely subscribers and viewers, for my 1K plus subscribers. I know we can make it to 2K, and I love you all. So now our chicken has been cooking for about 10 minutes, and look at that, it's so lovely and juicy. So now we're going to add our vegetables, our onion, tomatoes, bell peppers, and I added some oregano and some smoked paprika. And we're going to mix everything together and cook it for about 5 minutes. And look at our chicken with our tomatoes. This creamy pasta, I'm telling you, you need to try this recipe. It's very simple, delicious, and so flavorful. So now we're going to add our extra thick double cream. Yes, we want our pasta very creamy. Added some chili flakes and our pasta water. Yes, have you seen how creamy our pasta water is because of the butter and coconut? So we're going to mix everything together and cook it for about 5 minutes. And look at that, look at our sauce. It's so creamy, so flavorful, so tasty. So now I'm going to add some mozzarella cheese. Yes, I want my pasta cheesy as well. You can choose to add any cheese of your choice. And now we're going to add our pasta, some spring onion, and mix it together. And I added a bit of butter. Yes, I'm telling you, this is a very creamy pasta. So we want our pasta very creamy and delicious. So you're going to mix everything together and just leave it for about 2 minutes. And our pasta is done. And yes, it's time to serve our creamy pasta. So I just garnish it with some spring onion and finish it with some Parmesan cheese. Yes, you can choose to use any cheese of your choice, but I love this combination together. Mozzarella and Parmesan cheese is just delicious. And thank you all to my lovely subscribers and viewers. Bye bye.